everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I will guide you how you can fix login errors with Discord app. I will talk about the possible solutions that might help you fix the login error. I will also talk about the official method you can get help from. So without wasting a minute more, let's jump into the video. So first of all, I'm going to suggest to you some simple troubleshooting steps that might help you fix the login error with the Discord app. So here is the Discord app that is already installed on my device. Now first thing you need to do is to ensure that you are using the latest version. So for that, go to Play Store and search for the Discord app. Now here, as you can see, an update is available, so I'm going to install it right now. And as you can see, you can read what is included in this update. So as always, we have made some bug fixes and improvements. So once you update the app, you can try to log in again. So here I'm going to install the update. Once you have installed the update, try to log in again to your Discord account and see if the login error appears again or not. If you are still getting the same login error, the next thing you can try is to reset the app. For that, you have to go to settings of your mobile device and then go to apps section, and then you have to look for the Discord app, open it, and then you have to tap storage, and here at the bottom you will see the option clear data, so you have to simply press that. And this will clear all the cache and cookies of the Discord app. So press OK, and then you can try to log in again using your email address and password. If the login error is still showing on your app, you can try to reinstall the app by uninstalling it first and then install the latest version from the Play Store. Now apart from that, you can also try an official method that can help you out with the login error. And for that, you will need to use a browser on your mobile device, or you can also do it on your PC if you want. So here I'm using Google Chrome, and now you have to go to this link dis.gd/contact. That's the official support page of Discord where you have to submit a support ticket. Now here you have to submit a request to Discord official support team, and for that you have to answer this question: what can we help you with? So for this question, you can simply select help and support, as the other options are not related to the login error. So I'm going to select help and support, and then you will see some more questions or some blanks where you have to enter certain information like your email address that is linked to your Discord account. So you have to enter that, and then there is a type of question: what question do you want to ask to the Discord support team? So here are some options that are already given, out of which you can choose other technical issue, or you can go for hacked account if you think your account has been hacked, or you can also select general question if you want to ask them a general query. Alright, so I will suggest you to select other technical issue, as this is a technical issue, the login error. For the subject part, you have to enter the issue that you are facing or the error. For example, you are facing an unknown network error has been occurred, so you can simply enter that in the subject box. Once you will enter the subject, you will see some suggested articles that you can go through. If you see any suggested article that is related to your problem, you can simply tap that and read it and go through the solutions that are given there. And if it doesn't help you, then you can give a description of your problem, that what is the problem that you are exactly facing with the Discord app. And after that, you can select the platform on which you are using the Discord app, for example Android, Apple, Firefox, Google Chrome, and so on. Once done with that, you can also upload attachments like the screenshot of the error for further help. Alright, so that is optional, you can also skip it if you want. After that, you have to press submit, and then you have to wait for a reply from Discord on the email address that you have provided to them. Alright, so they will reply and they will give you the instructions that you have to follow to fix the login error. That was all for this topic. If this video helped you, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and for more informational content, do visit my website, that is GetAssist.net. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll be back soon with a new video.